Hello, how are you? It's Charmaine, registered and licensed dietitian. I wanted to start off by acknowledging how stressful Thanksgiving week can be. You have a lot of pressure, whether you live by yourself, live with your partner, live with your spouse, have kids, or are hosting. You feel some level of anxiety. Some people that don't have any anxiety all year may have it this week. So follow me, and I love to give realistic, quick tips on how to make things go easier. All you do is take your pumpkin, orange or white, whatever variety, cut it in half, remove the seeds, bake it off, and voila, you have your puree. Blend it so it can smooth out, and you can use it in pumpkin pies, use it as your pumpkin latte, whatever you feel like. So go ahead and mix your dough, flour, butter, water, and cinnamon. Then go ahead and flatten out your dough, put it over your pan. Make sure you measure over your pan so you can get the right measurement. As you can see, this dough is actually too big. So what I'm going to do is cut out part of the dough. So I'm just showing you how flat it should look when you roll it out. So what I'm doing now is kind of measuring out, and I'm going to cut pieces of the dough off so that I can take it off, and I'm going to add it to my next pie because as you can see, that pie is too there's not enough dough there. So I'm cutting it out, and this is good because you can kind of get a more even dough, so that you can decorate the edges in a minute. So you take that and then you kind of even it out, and then do this technique. It's foolproof. One of your hands, use one finger, the other hand, use two fingers. That's simple. You don't want to do two fingers on each hand. One, there you go. So go ahead and finish off decorating your pie. All four pies is what we're doing here. Then you want to make your filling. So basically all I did was brown sugar, cornstarch, the pumpkin pie spice, and of course the pumpkin puree. You can mix the dry first, and then you add in your wet, which is like the vanilla extract and the pumpkin puree. Mix it all together, and don't forget that aquafaba. Aquafaba is just a liquid made with a light color bean. I use chickpea. So voila, look at our pies in the oven. And we're going to bake them off at 350 for 40 minutes. These are medium-sized pies. Not too small, not too big. Voila. Enjoy. Thank you.